Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to remove or hide comments in Microsoft Word. Let's get straight to it. To remove a single comment, go to the Review tab at the top of your screen. Click on the specific comment you want to remove, then click the Delete button located in the Comments section. If you have a document full of comments and want to clear them all at once, click the small arrow just below that Delete button. From the drop-down menu, select Delete All Comments in Document. Your page is now completely clear. Sometimes you just want to hide the comments temporarily without actually deleting them. To close the right side panel, stay on the Review tab and click the Show Comments button. This hides the main pane, but you might still notice small comment speech, bubble icons in the margin. To hide those icons completely and get a clean view of your text, look for the Tracking section on the same Review tab. Click on Show Markup and uncheck the Comments option. Now your document looks completely clean, but your comments are still safely saved in the background if you ever need to turn them back on. That is all for today. If this helped, please like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides.